I'm walking to the metro station to pick Shefali up. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. You need to stop walking with your AirPods. Welcome back to Bangalore.
Hi.
Okay, first we'll go to my studio, change clothes, and then go to the gym. Cool?
No, before that I need to go to Zara to exchange a top, and today is the last day for it.
Today is the last day.
Yeah, because I kept it for a month.
Bro, these girls, bro, they buy a lot of clothes and then they return and exchange ever so often.
Bro, now I'm going to be on this, what do you call it? Give me a term.
For what?
I'm going to start this thing where I'm not going to buy any clothes for 6 months.
Oh,
Yeah.
6 months.
Yeah, challenge. So what challenge you don't know?
Come, I'll take you shopping today.
You're going to pay.
That's still you buying
I
only.
have to buy. I won't pay.
Oh, so if your dad buys you, it's still... Oh, what kind of a challenge is this? I thought 6 months you won't buy or you won't let anybody buy.
Go on, Matt.
Go into Phoenix Mall, Bobby's. Zara is in Phoenix.
Bro, you know I'm obsessed with one song.
Which song are you obsessed with?
Sena. What is that song?
I don't know. What are you singing? Sena.
Yeah.
Guys, it's that song. Sena. Sena.
That's exactly what I said.
Guys, did you understand Shefali is humming or my humming? लोग इतने सच धज के आए हैं मॉल और मैं आया हूँ अपनी क्रिकेट चप्पल में. It's nice to have a good looking girlfriend because even if you are dressed like shit, she is still the fit. Anna, you don't have to put in as much effort. So your lesson here is stop putting money on clothes, put money on girls instead. Another thing I realized, if you are dressed shabby as a guy and your girl is dressed nice, and people who are going to look at you will think, what is there in this guy that the girl is with him? Does he have money? Does he have a big heart?
No, he just has 16k subscribers. That's it.
He has 16k subscribers, okay? Hey, congrats on 16k.
Oh, congrats. I need to find things worth 3.5k.
Because your item is worth 3.5.
No, my item is worth 1.5, but then I have a 2k voucher.
Okay, so 1.5 you're going to return and 2k you have a voucher. Are you looking for a dress, a top, a jacket?
Anything will do.
Anything will
Not
do.
a jacket because I just bought one.
This looks like a jacket Soumya would wear, right?
This is 950.
But you want item worth 1,500, right?
Yeah, I'll buy one of this and one more 950 wala.
Guys, I left Shefali alone in Zara because I need to dump urgently. While I was taking a dump, I got a call from Kavin. He's waiting for us at the gym. So what did you end up buying?
So that brown top.
Ah,
And then remember I wore one yellow top in Goa.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I bought the same thing in black.
Oh wait, I remember you wore that with linen pants.
Yeah,
Ah, yeah.
I got that in black.
So you spent full 3.5?
No, I spent 2k.
Ah,
The other 1.5 is still there.
okay.
Balance.
So now she'll come to Phoenix again and I have to take her shopping again.
Yes.
See what I was eating when you called me? Oats and chicken. Oats and chicken is literal dog food.
Who leaves it like that only with a banana peel in it?
If you call me ASAP, how can I do
You
anything?
can take 5 minutes next time.
Next time you see, I'll come late only.
Always late, bro. Ask your blog, they'll know.
I'm late only if I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging every day.
Gajar Park pre-workout. Let's go. Cheers. We'll go?
We'll go.
Chalo. Come sit. Come, let's go. Gym time, Bobbies.
Every time I sit in your car, I'm surprised that it still works.
Wow, did you guys just hear that? My car is not that old. It's only 8 years old.
It's pretty old, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty old. But 8 years, 24,000 kilometers, that's nothing. So what are you training today?
Legs.
Legs though.
Yeah.
All the best, bro. I'm doing back. 20 fucking sets of back.
Can I do something else?
Your call, bro. It's your program.
Which you program.
I programmed it for you, but I am not coaching you.
You never did. So what do you say? I'm not
Guys,
coaching you.
I can't coach her, bro. I really can't coach her. I feel like it affects our friendship.
Friendship. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
I'd rather hire another coach for her than do it myself.
I don't think this era of my life should be dedicated to fitness.
Yeah, this era of your life is for career, Shah.
So I'll quit my... I was going to say I'll quit my job shit. I was going to say I should quit gym then.
Quit. You want gum?
Ooh, yummy.
Open.
Hey, I got the lyrics by the way. Sena, how you said it to me. Doona, how you did it to me.
Lyrics you got, but sur you don't have.
How come you got chewing gum and all? Which girl gave?
Which girl gave? I give to other girls. Give me. Fucking empty packet you've given. Done with the workout, Bobbies. We've now changed our clothes because we plan on going out. Not alone. We plan on going out with Kavin and Nishok.
Yeah, I bought the new top that I bought.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize. So the thing is, Kavin has already left. He's gone to Indranagar to meet up with his girlfriend Mehek. Fuck, it's drizzling. Yeah, he's gone to meet up with Mehek because Mehek was waiting for us. And we realized that our workout was not getting done anytime soon. So Kavin left. Nishok is changing. We'll all go together now.
My legs are hurting.
Say what?
My legs are hurting.
Good, I left you shaking. Shefali is buying mint. What else do you want?
Anything that you want to buy me. All yours. Your choice.
Anything.
Anything.
Come, I'll buy you a spatula. You belong in the kitchen.
Says the one who's unemployed.
You should not make fun of my employment status. Please. Okay? I came to Delhi even though I don't have a job. Or more like I came to Delhi because I didn't have a job.
I need this.
You look like the Amul girl, you know? Guys, don't you agree? Don't you guys agree she looks like the Amul girl? The iconic Amul girl. See? Same to same she looks. Chef, can you roll down the windows?
Where is the button?
Find it. Where's the window button? Find it. Find it, chef.
Bro, this car is too outdated for me. So.
Car is too outdated. Find it, no, chef. You can't roll down the windows in this car.
Huh?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Have you ever seen me roll down the windows? Hey Siri, can you please roll down the windows?
That's the last place you'd expect it.
It's here. Okay, can you put a pimple patch on my face? I might just scratch this.
Bro, you know this pouch, right?
Oh.
Name something and I have it in that pouch.
In this pouch? Anything. Anything and everything. Do you have a nail cutter?
Nail file.
Nail file doesn't work.
Come on, close.
You should not put and remove. That's waste. Now put a new
I
one.
know. Because it got folded, I removed.
Folded under zero pressure, guys. Did she get it right, guys?
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay, let's go. We are going to Aladdin Indranagar. Yeah, Aladdin. Why not, bro? Some protein after workout. I'll call him and let him know that I'm coming. Make me 10 chicken tikkas.
Call him.
Yeah. Guys, हम Aladdin के सामने खड़े थे and we met a subscriber. This is Vishwajit.
Great vlog. Every day I'm watching and it's nice to meet you also.
Thank you so much. Guys, Vishwajit sir is a CA. Guys, come in, bro. There's a rat there. There's one big rat here also. Oh, hi, bro. Hi. I didn't see you for so long. What do you say?
You all are so gay.
Women.
Hey. What is on? Comet, huh?
Comet is crazy.
Oh, Nike dog.
Air Force. This guy is wearing Air Force One. This guy is like, hey, Comet, ah.
Guys, Mehek bought flowers for all of us. So cute. Chef, when will you do that for me?
I bought your toothbrush. Go brush your teeth.
Say what? Oh, what? You're sucking me off, huh? Come, bro. It looked like that only, bro. Bobbies, look at that. 7 plates of Alishan Tikka for 5 people. Let's go. Done with Aladdin Bobbies.
Guys, he got me flowers, see?
I didn't, Mehek.
Oh, it's just so sick.
I literally showed the vlog Mehek got us flowers.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, done with Aladdin Bobbies. We are now going to Samsung Momos.
Hey, bro, I want to go to Walking Street. Can you please go and see?
First walk-in street.
We'll just go. It's right here.
Fine, chalo.
We'll just see. Come.
By the way, I don't know if Samsung Momos is there today. That Bobby comes whenever he wants to and he doesn't on some days. Look at Nishok third wheeling. So cute, guys. Nishok proper third wheeler, bro.
Nishok?
Oh! Yo, Mehek is the third wheeler. How does that make you feel?
Bro, I'll pop him. Where is he?
You are not the third wheeler here.
This is right.
Where is my girlfriend?
Bye.
Do you think Samsung Momos is there? Guys. He's there. Sir, कैसे हो? बहुत दिन हो गए. मुझे लगा आज नहीं आओगे आप. फर्स्ट बैच है सर आज का. पहले कस्टमर है. आज बॉनी हमने कराई है. बढ़िया. Thank you, sir. All of us have tried this except for Mehek. So she gets the first bite. Alright, Bobbies. Mehek trying Samsung Momos for the first time ever. Let's go. What? Finally, she liked something. Honest rating of Samsung Momos.
0 on 10.
What do I say to her?
Ask her again.
Honest rating.
Ask nicely.
Ask nicely. Mehek, may I please know your opinion of the Samsung Momos?
Better. 10 on 10.
Oh,
10
10?
on 10.
She said 10. I mean, it is,
We
right?
haven't eaten anything better.
Facts. What the fuck is he doing?
Guys, first try, bro.
Watch it.
He's gonna fuck up big time. Yeah. It's gonna fall down. Yeah, fell down also. Crazy, bro. Well done, bro. Well done. Oh! Bobbies, we are at 11 Bakehouse now and we're trying out the tiramisu and layered chocolate cake.
Oh, okay.
What happened?
No, I thought that was a brownie. I'm like, why did he get a brownie?
First try the chocolate cake.
I think it's a little dry.
What is dry? The chocolate cake?
Okay.
We'll try it.
Yeah, it's dry.
It's dry, huh?
It's not that we don't expect.
Dry? Okay, let's try the tiramisu. Nishok, open this.
Nice. I don't even like tiramisu, but it's good. Is it yogurt or is it tiramisu?
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Too much
Yeah,
cream.
yogurt.
Bobbies, we're at Milano now having gelato. Covin's gone for some fruity, zesty ass flavor. Oh my god.
No shame, guys.
It's such a zesty.
No, I don't give a fuck. It's so guy. You like Zabam? You love this, bro.
Terrible.
Italian lemon. Don't forget it.
Don't, by chance also don't try it, okay? Then you will fucking blame it on me. Then Mohit suggested.
Guys, this is not Mohit's suggestion. It's mine.
Bro, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like lemon candy.
We go for the OG flavor, bro.
Hazelnut and dark chocolate.
Guys, we got the bomb. Which one? Okay, no, which one? But
Give the lemon one only.
lemon.
So Mehak wants me to try Zarbomb because I've never tried it.
Hey guys,
I cannot believe you're
I can't believe he's not tried it. It's so crazy. He's gonna have epilepsy.
Trying Zarbomb for the first time, guys. I've never had it.
Yaar, made a sound.
It gets worse. It gets worse.
It's just starting, Mohit.
You can't spit it out.
Come on, you have to
You
keep
can't
going.
spit it out.
Is he making
There's no way.
It's not that bad.
No, you should
What the fuck was that? Who eats that? You eat that for fun?
No, it's yummy. What are you saying?
Yeah. Could have Zabam for the first time again.
Yeah.
You shouldn't spit it out, more.
Bro, it's
You should-
disgusting.
Okay. I'll pay you 200 if you keep it in your mouth and finish it.
He'll easily do it.
He'll do it.
No chance, bro.
Okay, three. And 3 and then 500 more.
Bro, I need to rectify that flavor, bro. That was so bad.
Bro, Zabam is like alcohol, bro. The more you have it, the less it gives that. This thing.
I hate it.
So nowadays it
That's the
doesn't.
cola one
Bro,
though.
nowadays it doesn't hit on me.
Guys, if you've never eaten this, by mistake also don't eat it.
Hey, come on. Everyone has to try it at least once in their life.
No, it's terrible.
There's no way your viewers are not right Zabam. Yeah.
Guys, is it just me who's not tried this? It was my first time ever. It was so bad. Anyways, Bobbies, it's now time to leave. I know every time I say the same thing, but this might just be the last time we see him. Yeah, probably. Because he's leaving in 2 days, right?
Do it again.
Oh yeah, just do it again. No, hold Mac. We'll do it and show.
Yeah, that's the problem.
No, you can't want it. If you want it, it never happens.
That'll be ass now. Wow.
Stop. Hey, bro, you know what you show?
This is what you want.
No,
You blame
no,
now.
Yeah.
Chef will show now. Chef, show.
You're not putting any effort into it.
Hey, Vishok, show now.
You're the fucking problem.
Mac, you show me.
You're the problem.
Yeah, bro, what's the problem? Oh, sorry.
Okay, got it.
Guys, you heard that. It's a residential place. That's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.